Before you watch this video, make sure that you have already watched this YouTube video that I linked in Seesaw for you on this activity. So if you haven't watched this YouTube video, please watch it first. So this week, your engineering activity will be about bridges. Now, you remember during the school year, we worked on some bridges and we talked about them. And now you're going to build your own at home. Remember we talked about different kinds of bridges? Why do bridges have to be strong? Think about what it said in the video. I think it's really important that they're strong because they hold people. People are important. They have to be able to hold cars. Cars are very important. And they have to be able to hold bicycles, people on bicycles. That's very important too. So people, cars, and bicycles can all use bridges to get where they need to go. How can you make a really strong bridge at home? Anyone can build a bridge, but I want you to really focus on building a really, really strong bridge. If you were to build a really strong bridge, what materials do you think you should use from your house? They can be any materials you want to use as long as it is okay with your adults that you use them. How long do you think your bridge should be? How can you make sure it is really strong? And how can you test your bridge to see how strong it is? How do you think you can test your bridge? That's one of the steps that you'll need to do in this assignment is to test your bridge after you build it. So think about the best way that you could test out your bridge. After you build your bridge, you're going to test it out with the way that you decided to test it out. After that, I would like you to please take a picture of your bridge and upload it through Seesaw. And then I want you to record your answers to the questions that I have put on Seesaw using the microphone recorder. When you go to the Seesaw assignment, you will see the questions. So you're going to use the microphone recording tool to tell me, how were you able to make your bridge really strong? So you can tell me how you built your bridge, but I also want to know how you were able to make it really strong. If your bridge was not strong at first, how did you fix your bridge to make it strong? Because that's what engineers do, right, guys? They test out their designs, and if it's not quite what they need it to be, they fix it. They make improvements. And just for fun, what is the name of your bridge? Almost all bridges have names, so you get to name your own bridge. Most importantly, friends, what I don't want you to forget whenever you're doing any of these engineering activities is have fun. Just like you guys have fun in the engineering lab at school, I want you to have fun at home when you're making these things. If you have any questions, you can ask under the comments of the Seesaw activity. You can record a question for me there, or you can watch this video again for the directions. If you just read the directions, sometimes a couple times, then that will help you understand them better. I hope you have a great time with this week with this activity, friends, and I can't wait to see all your bridges. Bye.